with Shraddha today because she thinks that Komal is a cheater. So I thought it would be nice from my side to let her win this time.
Will you? Really?
Yeah, I mean, I'll try. So the challenge is guess the body part challenge.
And it's a very, very creepy challenge.
So keeping everything aside, here are the rules. So we'll blindfold each other and we'll get 5 chances each. We'll make each other touch our body parts and whoever guesses it right gets a point. Cool, let's start. Okay.
Yeah, I think I can guess this.
Okay.
I think it's your elbow, like this part, right?
No, you're wrong.
What was it? What was it?
It's like the side of my palm area.
Oh god.
0. Let me be a little creepy now.
A little? Is that a thigh?
Yes. Chalo. You get 1 point.
God.
You have 3 more
I thought I
chances.
would just end up with a 0 like throughout all the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Third one.
Is that your eyelid? Is that your eyelid?
No.
What then? What then?
It was my under eye area. So out of 3, you got 1 right. You still have 2 more chances.
Okay, let's do this. Hopefully you'll not be as creepy. Is that your, what do you call it? Is that your heel, like, of your foot? Is that the heel of your foot?
Yeah.
Ew, Cherry.
It's okay. Chill. I took a bath this morning, so I'm all clean.
Ew, guys. Okay.
Okay, so you got 2 right out of 4.
Okay, I'm confused between 2, like something like this, or it can either be like over here on your arm, over here.
So you have to tell me
I need
1.
your hand only, na? Give me-
You have to tell me 1, na?
I am gonna go with this, like the back of your.
Yeah, it's like the back of my arm. So
Thank
you get it right. Okay, so you get 3 right out of 5. That's not a bad score.
Better than I expected to do.
So you better be sweet to me because I gave you really easy ones.
Alright, Cherry, let's see how you fare and let's move on to you, okay?
Okay.
Give me your hand. Okay.
It's like near your fingers, like, you know, the toenails.
Okay, which one? Be more specific.
Okay. Your thumb area, I think. The thumb.
Alright guys, she's right. She gets this point. Very good, Cherry. You're creepy. Out of 5 chances, she's got the first one right. So let's move on to the next one.
Cool.
Okay. Now guess. What are you doing?
Okay, this one is like very easy. Like when you wear like an off-shoulder top, like neck. I just can't get the name right now. It's like the shoulder. Am I wrong?
Yes, you're wrong, Cherry. It's not this whatever you're doing. It's my collarbone.
It did not feel like it was your collarbone. I mean,
Sure, excuses guys, excuses. So she has 1 out of 5 and she has 3 more chances. Let's move on to the third.
okay. Okay, so it's obviously your ear. So it's
It's
your
my ear and it's called something.
this one, this piercing area. I don't know the name.
It's called an earlobe, Cherry.
Okay, fine. I did not know the name, but I guessed it right.
Yeah, okay, so I'm giving her this point only because she pointed it out, like she touched it and told me, but you have to know the name.
Yay!
So out of 5, she's guessed 2 right, 1 wrong, and then she has 2 more chances to go. If she guesses 1 right and doesn't guess the other, then we will have a tiebreaker.
This is like so gooey and soft. What is it? Okay, it's like definitely your upper part of the body because my hand was here, and not your face because my hand was here. So it's like
So I can like keep my face thoda niche also.
I'm trying to figure out ki what was it. Was that your like? Did you make me touch your underarms?
No.
Okay, it's definitely your hand, like maybe your. So it's the wrinkly area, I think.
The wrinkly area is called something and she doesn't get a point for this. She can't name the body part.
So mean. I mean, I guessed the area at least.
So she does not get a point. So out of 5, she's got 2 right. She just has 1 more chance. Guess. You don't have a lot of time.
I think that was your underarm.
Do not get this point. You can't guess a lot of times, and I win.
What was it? What was it?
And that was my upper lip.
Oh, shit.
Cherry, I think you're just obsessed with underarms. So I win, and I really think that I should take more challenges with Cherry because she's so sweet and she lets me win.
I shouldn't have said that in the beginning. I shouldn't have. I was very confident about this challenge. But
Yeah, but she's still more creepy, okay? So
yeah, I am. Okay, I agree. So guys, this was it for today's video. If you want us to do any other challenge videos, comment down below. Download the PopXO app if you haven't. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopXO TV. And we'll see you guys super soon with a fun challenge. Bye.